Today I am going to explain phase angle of current transformer, that is the CT, and also derive the expression of phase angle theta. I hope you will enjoy it. If you have any doubt, write in the comments line. So let's start. For explaining the phase angle, first I will draw the small section of phasor diagram of CT where the horizontal line represents the flux phi, I0 is the no load current which makes an angle alpha with the flux phi. It has two components, Im and IE. Im is the magnetizing component, I and IE is the working component. Considering the load is inductive, the secondary voltage Vs is leading current Is. And the induced EMF E1 and E2 lagging flux by 90 degree. So the reflected values of the secondary current to the primary side is represented as NIS, and the phasor sum of NIS and I0 is the primary current IP. The angle between IS and E1 is delta. So naturally this angle in between the NIS and the vertical axis is delta. So if I project NIS and draw perpendicular to the point IP, so this angle will be, we have delta in one side, another is alpha. So this angle will be 90 degree minus delta minus alpha. And the angle between NIS and IP is theta. So this is the phase angle. So phase angle is denoted by theta. And what is the definition? The angle by which the secondary current phasor, when reversed, differs in phase from the primary current is called phase angle. That is the angle between the secondary current when reversed to the primary side and the primary current is phase angle theta. So Im is equal to I0 cos alpha and IE is equal to I0 sin alpha. And theta is, when theta is positive, when the secondary current reverts leads the primary current. Otherwise it is negative. That is, the angle is taken negative if the secondary current reverse lag behind the primary current. So the angle between IS reverse and IP is theta, and that is the phase angle is theta. Now from the phasor diagram, we have to find out the tan theta. So put A, B, C. So OA is equal to NIS. And tan theta is equal to BC by OB. What is OB? OB is equal to, so this will be small b, OA plus AB. And we have to find out the value of OA and AB. From the triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree minus delta minus alpha. And AC is equal to I0. BC is equal to I0 sine 90 degree minus delta minus alpha. So this is equal to I0 cos delta plus alpha. And AB is equal to I0 cos 90 degree minus delta minus alpha. So this is equal to I0 sine delta plus alpha. And OA is equal to NIS. Now putting all this value, I can write the expression of tan theta. So tan theta is equal to BC by OB. So this is equal to BC plus OA plus AB. So this is equal to I0 cos delta plus alpha divided by NIS. OA is equal to NIS plus I0 sine delta plus alpha. As theta is very small, so we can write tan theta is equal to theta. So tan theta is equal to I0 cos delta plus alpha divided by NIS plus I0 sine delta plus alpha in radian. So we can expand it cos delta plus alpha. So I0 cos delta cos alpha minus I0 sine delta sine alpha. And then the denominator NIS plus I0 sine delta plus alpha. Now we know that I0 is making angle alpha with the flux phi. So I0 cos alpha is equal to Im and I0 sine alpha is equal to IE. So by putting the value of IE and Im, so what we can write, theta is equal to Im cos delta minus IE sine delta by NIS radian. So I0 is very small as compared to NIS. So we can neglect the term I0 sine delta plus alpha. So that time the theta will be I0 cos delta plus alpha by NIS. So in degree, we have to multiply it by 180 by pi. So theta is equal to 180 by pi Im cos delta minus IE sin delta by NIS. This is the expression of phase angle in CT. So you practice it, and this is very, very important for the semester exam. Thank you very much for watching.